Jesus God.
Hey Dad, just wanted to say hi, but you're busy. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.
Steve, you alright?
Don't have the car again. Mate, you can't keep doing this.
I wouldn't bother, mate.
Two full breakfasts, 2 vegan breakfasts with real butter, 2 kids' breakfast rolls, 2 pancakes with maple syrup and bacon for room 25. One of those pancakes is a nut allergy. Be careful. We don't need anyone going to the hospital today.
Yeah, chef. Good morning. How are things?
Morning. I've just got the first check of the day.
Steve, we need to see that menu. Come on, don't keep me waiting. Keep up the good work, you two. See, I see what you tried to do there, but no. See, I don't even know what that is.
It's a mixed spice.
Mm-hmm. Nah, right. Keep to the classic with a twist. I mean, come on now, Steve. Who's gonna eat black pudding sausages with a red wine jus? Come on, this is what you're paid for. You feel tense, huh? You gotta learn how to loosen up, Steve. Seriously. Oh my god. Yep.
Oh, hang on. Steve, I need that Christmas menu for tomorrow morning. It's lacking.
Tom, I've got 4 sausages, and I think that's a bit.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, let's go.
Is this the, you know the check that I put in?
Yes.
Could you just like disregard the whole thing, please?
Are you taking the fucking
Yeah,
piss?
it was the system.
Blaming the system? Are you fucking stupid? I couldn't have done this half an hour ago before I made the full fucking ticket.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
I mean, how hard is your job? I'm in here stressed out, my not working my arse off while you're being a silly cunt making stupid fucking mistakes. You fucking idiot!
Chef, I'm so sorry. I just came in to say to disregard the order that I put through. I knew he'd be angry. Didn't expect that. That was a slight overreaction, wasn't it?
Take a seat in my office. Fuck, she touched that.
Steve. Something's really not right here. This isn't like the last time. I think he's using again.
Clean this up before David gets here.
I'm so sorry. I don't even know what to say anymore, man.
Tammy, you can go home.
This pressure's getting out of control.
Get out of here. Before David comes.
David's got you by the fucking balls, man. You are so fucked. This job is fucked. Everything's fucked inside my fucking head.
Have you taken something?
Do you think I'm you? I know all about your past.
Leave. Before you say something you regret and David comes in asking for your head
Oh,
on a...
look! Say his name 3 times and he shall appear. Don't worry, David. I was just leaving. So for one last time, fuck you! Get the fuck out of here.
Steve. He needs to go.
I know, but
Oh God, don't be weak.
just leave it. I'll handle it. David, he needs support.
I am not a charity. I will leave the termination papers on your desk. And I am gonna go work from home. So you can handle this.
Tom's mum called. He's in the hospital. He's had an overdose.
You took your time. Steve, I've brought you here to talk about yesterday. You are no longer suitable to manage this team. Therefore, I'm serving you notice.
You little prick. After all the shit I've done for you, you practically begged me to come.
I know. You are way too good for us.
I've built this kitchen for you.
But now, you're ruining it.
Oh, come on, Steve. Go and do some blow and end up like Tom.
Don't you fucking dare! I don't do that shit anymore.
Once an addict, always an addict. God, it must be hard being you watching another life go down the drain.
Christ, you are fucked in the head, you know that? You've been working us like slaves. This is all on you, you asshole.
Steve, you were in control of your staff's hours and hiring more staff, but you never did that, did you? What kind of manager does that make you? Sign it.
Pen.
Oh, come on, Steve. We've got 2 weeks left together. Let's keep things positive.
Do we fuck?
Steve! I still need that Christmas menu.
Steve, I need you to let me know if you can hear me. I'm here with you, okay? And I need
Hey Dad, just phoning to say hi, but you're busy. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm fucking done with this shit, Melissa.
Come home. We will sort everything out.
I have nothing to give.
Can't blame yourself. Tom wasn't your fault. David was never looking out for you. Saying you're done with chefing would be wrong. Don't let David ruin your calling. It's what you do with your food, Steve. It speaks to people.
You sound like a posh twat. My food speaks to people. And then I'm tired. I'm tired of talking.
Chance would be a fine thing. Cafe and Morningside are looking for a head chef. It's less money, but the hours are better.
I've got to go. I'll talk to you soon.
David's a twat.
Can't disagree there.
Just waltzed into the kitchen shouting orders. Trying to be the big man. What clusterfuck.
We should get out of here. I'll find another place for us.
Used to be fucking great. 3 of us together. The buzz was addictive. I've never felt anxiety in my stomach. The way I do when I walk into that kitchen.
I once cooked eggs for Keith. He signed and drew eggs on the CD I had. What a guy.
Better get back.
It's been a pleasure.
Should you find somewhere else? Somewhere better? You need an extremely intelligent, handsome individual you know who to call.
Yeah, not you.